Hello friends, how you guys doing? Alright, so in this video guys, I want to talk about the change of structure that we saw on Bitcoin and why you need to pay attention to this, because this can lead to a potential bull market. Okay, so kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video guys. Before now we've identified a potential three-wave move down. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, so then we're expecting a correction to play out here, and based on what is playing out here, we determine the next phase of Bitcoin. Actually, we forecasted a drop from here, which eventually came up here and have actually dropped, and this is a very sharp sell-off. So now we have seen the second one, which actually did not break it. So there is a change of structure. Now, the two things that you need to pay attention to, first of all, is to know that, whenever a market makes an impulse and corrects himself and makes the next impulse that actually break the previous low, is actually a complete structure. Okay, it's a complete structure. So market has a right to move from here and also have a right to give us a bigger correction and drop. So it depends on what the market is doing. So but you can see clearly now on the 4-hour time frame that the market is trying to form a pattern, and this pattern seems to be like a bullish pattern, but now it's not yet over. Up sell-off and another slight correction is sell-off. So what the market is trying to do for us now is to give us a small correction now and to push it up again. All right, so it depends on where this move ends, but two phases we're expecting it at the break of this previous high, which is 45,153, or at the break of this target, that is 46,568. All right, so that is the phase whereby you can say this is A, this is B, this is C. All right, so let's watch out critically what plays out here now. But if the market corrects itself deeply here, okay, and if the market corrects itself deeply here and give us a very sharp aggressive move up like this, then breaking entirely all these targets, that tells you that the corrections are over, guys. That means this correction 1 2 3 is over. Okay, and we'll be seeing a next move, and believe you me, this move can actually break this previous high and start dropping again. Now if you take a look on Bitcoin on daily, then you can start seeing, especially on this chart, whereby there is this fake sharp sell-off. All right, this spike here can show that this might be a running flat that might take the market higher again before dropping it again, making it A, B, C. All right, so that's why I said just play along as the market develop. Okay, so but for us, if you're a short-term trader, I think you just need to take this trade and wait for this to complete. You can see on the 1 hour is going nowhere now, so there will be definitely a drop, and we're expecting three-wave move down before taking this trade. But this trade will be imminent, guys. This trade will be imminent, so watch out for this trade. We probably might play out later today or before tomorrow. This will happen. All right, so after taking this trade, they will now wait for these two targets. At the break of this is the first target at the break of this level, and also at the 46,568 level. So watch out for these two levels, guys. But if this trade is gonna make that sharp move, then expect this trade to spend a lot of time here consolidating. Okay, expect it to spend a lot of time consolidating upward. So that is just the first scenario on how this can play out. Okay, and secondly, another phase on how this can play out is whereby this market drops sharply like this, at the touch of this comes up again and drop again. Okay, making this a kind of a running flat. So all this also is possible, right? It's possible. So let's watch out, and that's why you don't need to jump into the market also, and wait and see until the correction is over and the move is over. All right, so that is just what we have for you guys today on Bitcoin, because this sharp move up here is very, very important, especially as the market gives us this sharp sell-off correction. We're expecting either another sharp sell-off here, or the market give us a correction here and next wave up. All right, guys, so the same way Bitcoin is playing out, that is where Ethereum also is playing out. You see, they are all following suit. Okay, they are all following suit. So Ethereum also is playing out the same way. But this phase, you see, we're expecting this to go up here and drop like this. You can watch out for this on Ethereum. Okay, so trade responsibly, guys. And as the market develops, we'll be updating you guys on the next phase. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like this video.